someday these bills will be getting paid, and I've been praying for it every day. Until my stomach began to grumble, and so I pivot towards spending the next 3.5 hours to binge watching Yu Yu Hakusho in hopes that my hunger pangs will go away. Unfortunately, they did not go away.
You got a text.
It looks like someone is blinging my line. So I checked the good old unhealthy cellular, and my angels must be with me, because a new restaurant titled That Bird and That Bread is promoting one free order for those who sign up for their delivery service. I didn't even think twice before submitting my order, and at a blink of an eye, my food has arrived. However, I didn't read the fine print stating that upon signing up, I have now dedicated myself to becoming one of their delivery drivers. But that's okay, because now I can use this job to save up my money for some studio time.
Get ready with me as I select my outfit of the day.
Holographic on my face, shining like diamonds, lavender. It's a new day. My spirit been away, no Chihiro. Free falling up north, right back to ground zero. Running laps over you.
Wrestle in the flesh, trying to protect the outer man. These illusions.
Green paint, Motorola pink.
Now there are 3 rules that we must follow as a fellow That Bird and That Bread employee. 1. Absolutely no refunds. In fact, we should already be gone by the time the customer lays their eyes upon the delivery. 2. Please drive safely.
While I'm speeding.
Whenever you enter, motorized vehicle. Please drive safely. Whoa, whenever you enter, let's go. Motorized vehicle. Let's go.
Rule number 3, do not be late. Because if I don't make the ETA, then I won't get paid. And we can't have that. Bro, what the nigga, move! Move! Watch where you're going, yo.
If I don't make this ETA, then I'm gonna be
Mission accomplished.
You got a text.
Now that's what I call punctuality.
That you? Man, I recognize that mustache from a mile away. I know you want this for life. Hey, my nigga Galileo. No swag, no swag. Dad. Remember where that nigga called? Haley Young, bro. You tough. I even named my first son after you.
Yeah, man, the Raman said, no, dude. Callion is not my real name. Your baby's adorable, though. You are now living healthy.
So I better make the ETA.
Or I might not get paid. So I better make the ETA.